beauties, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. This time I'm going to show you the beautiful cutwork sarees where I got lots of mails and WhatsApp messages stating that we need lots of cutwork saree, and this time it's going to be entirely different cutworks with different color combinations and embroideries along with the cutwork. Let us start this show right now. This is the first saree, and this is the same cutwork saree with a beautiful different colored saree. All right, see this, such a beautiful saree, and you can find all cutworks all over, and this is the blouse part for this. And the next saree is this. You can find cutworks in between the roses, and you have got all over designs. So the prices and the rates varies according to the cutwork done and the embroideries. So this could be the shoulder pallu part. I'll open one saree and show so that you guys can understand how the saree really comes. And this is for the pleat area. All are cutworks, and you can find all over designs. So the descriptions are done in such a way, it comes with the cutworks and also all over design, else it comes with the cutwork. So accordingly the things goes, and these are the different colored sarees in the same concept. Right, I'll open this black and show so that you can understand how it really looks. And this is the saree. Alright, and this how the saree here looks, and this is the blouse part for this. And then comes the mustard color, beautiful sea mustard color with a contrast matching blouse. So this how the saree looks. Let me open the saree completely and show. Alright, and this is the blouse part for this. And next concept is this. I think I have only one color in this concept. That is, the concept are one and the same, only the designs and the patterns change. So that for prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. So all the photographies are there in the in our website, so that you guys can see how it looks. And this is a beautiful color combination for this. And then these are the three different colors. I'll open this pink matching and show you guys. This is only embroidery without cutwork. So you please read the description carefully and then place your orders. This saree comes fully with an embroidery without any cutwork. Alright, and this is the blouse part for this. And these are all the two different color combinations. Such a beautiful mustard and blue color combination. Next, this comes with same concept, full embroidery saree without any cutwork. So some people feel like I want only embroidery saree. Some people may feel like I need only cutwork with embroidery or only cutwork. Depends upon your taste and preferences. Alright, these are all half tassar saree. This is not pure saree. So you read the descriptions carefully and then place your order. And this is the saree and blouse. And next comes the same embroidery. I have only one color in this. So the collections are very limited. If you guys ask for repeats, we are sorry, and that way we have only limited stocks, which I show you right now. And some comes with a contrast matching blouse, and some comes with a running blouse. So the next cutwork saree, this is cutwork with embroidery. I'll open this green and show you guys. Such a beautiful concepts these are all. Alright, and see, this is the pallu part for this, and all over it comes this way. See, and this is the same matching blouse. So running blouse is the same color. Contrast matching means it gives a contrast matching blouse. So accordingly you can go for. See, this saree is such a beautiful saree. I have to open this saree and show, because you can understand how the saree really looks. See this. So for the pallu, the cutwork comes here, and when you pleat it single pleat, the next one comes here like this. Alright, and what could be the blouse? It is a contrast matching blouse. And see this is also beautiful cutwork saree, cutwork with embroideries. It means it has a cutwork also here and with an embroidery, where I have got three beautiful matching. I'll open this deep maroon. Some are shaded sarees, okay, and some are like same color. So we have given you the beautiful description, so accordingly you can go for. And this is the blouse for this, and 1 and 2 colors, totally 3 colors in this. And the next concept is this sari is that same sari, just the color matching is different what I am wearing. All right, and the next cut work is this 1 2 3 and then 4. These are the 4 similar cut works where the colors are different, just the colors are different, but the cut work is one and the same. See this, such a beautiful concept. These are all, and it comes with a beautiful contrast matching blouse for this, where I have got 4 colors in this. One with beautiful orange matching, pink with green matching, and then this, what color is this? It's a mango yellowish orange color. See this sari, it's such a beautiful contrast. It's not contrast, it's such a wonderful sari, where I'll open the sari and show. So beautiful it is, such a beautiful amazing sari. So the work and the embroideries are really pretty in this. So it comes with a running blouse. So this is the running blouse, where you can make a contrast matching work on it, and I've got nice beautiful colors, 1 2 and then 3 beautiful colors, spreading colors globally. And then it's the same concept, but the embroideries alone are a little different. Let me open this purple. These are all half tussar saris, which are not pure ones. So yes, this budget is very good. All right, and you guys can wear however you wanted to, mix and match, can do some embroideries on it. And this comes with an amazing running blouse, where it has, this is the blouse part, and it has a cut work over there. And these are all the 3 different colors in this. And then next comes this, these are all cut work with embroidery saris with a contrast matching blouse part for this. See this, so amazing concept, lovely, pretty, beautiful concept. All right, and then this is the blouse part. See this, such an amazing sari. So I'll open this orange, same color, beautiful cut work saris. These are all the pallu comes with a rich cut work. See this, pallu comes with a rich cut work, and body full it comes as an embroidery all over. And this is the blouse part, and once again I have got 3 beautiful colors in this. My last sari, it's a cut patchwork sari. Let me open this mustard yellow, such an amazing sari. See this, so beautiful and pretty sari. So it comes this way. Lovely sari. So this is how the sari looks. All right, hope you guys enjoyed seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. We'll be back with lots and lot more collections. Stay tuned with Shivani's Boutique. For any assistance, you can WhatsApp 958 5501762. Thank you so much, and bye bye.